This is a special message for all those people who have received telegrams regarding scholarships, educational scholarships which have been given to outstanding students by the Priyadarshini Academy. We are happy to have you with us, but we are not going to announce the scholarships right here. May I request you to meet Mr. Sushil Sen, who is the chairman of the Education Committee, at the end of this function and receive your scholarships from him. Mr. Sushil Sen, please remember to get them. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, a whole lot of people, we've had a lot of well-wishers for Priyadarshini Academy, and we've received a number of messages from all over. We have taken the privilege of printing all those messages in the booklet, which is commemorating this occasion. But there's one message from a very, very dear and important friend, which has come in a little late, and I will take this opportunity to read that out. This is from Mr. Hinduja, Mr. Sritan Hinduja, who is a very, very special of Priyadarshini Academy, and he is the global coordinator of Indus Land Foundation and Indus Ind Enterprise and Finance Limited. He is represented today by his brother Shri Ashok Hinduja, and we welcome him. Even our chairman, Mr. Nani Krupani, is the director of Indus Ind. Also present with us today is Mr. Arjun Asrani, former ambassador to Japan and president of the Indus Ind Foundation. And now, may I take a couple of minutes to read out the special message which has been sent by Shri Chand Hinduja. He says, on behalf of Indus Ind, I congratulate the Priyadarshini Award winners for their outstanding contribution to the service of humankind. The Priyadarshini Academy has been instrumental in promoting better understanding and peace in a world torn by war and strife, and illuminating the globe with the transcendental effulgence of goodwill. Shri Nani Krupani, the chairman of the Priyadarshini Academy, has had a pivotal role in the success of this unique organization. His dedication and sincerity is truly amazing, and I have personally felt inspired by the splendid services he is rendering. For Indus Ind, it is indeed a proud day to see some of its active members like Tan Shri Kishu, Shri Prahlad Chhabria, Shri Nari Gursahani, and others being honored for their achievements. Indus Ind would also like to felicitate the other recipients, Dr. Noel Brown, Dr. Carlos Hernandez, Mr. Jyoti Shankar Singh, Shri Vijaypat Singhania, Dr. Ms. Purnima Advani, Dr. Narendra Pandya, Srimati Udya Tara Nair, Dr. Ram Manohar Tripathi, Dr. A.H. Salunke, Shri Leela Ram Ruchandani, Shri P.S. Deodhar, Shri Anand Mahendru, Shri Kapil Dev, Master Aditya Narayan Shah, Ms. Manisha Koirala, and the late Shri Lalit Doshi. All these eminent personalities are true karma yogis as defined by the Bhagavad Gita, which says, if a sincere person tries to control the active senses by the mind and performs his activities without attachment, then he is the topmost karma yogi. Indus Ind would like to wish all the above karma yogis total in their endeavors. Signed, Shri Chand P. Hinduja. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the beautiful message which we received and which I've shared with you. And now we come to the next part of our program. As you're well aware, the Priyadarshini Academy has already completed 10 years of its existence, and this decade has been full of events, incidents, achievements, and laurels, which the Academy treasures as its greatest wealth. The life story of these 10 eventful years has been tabulated and published in a special volume entitled 10 Momentous Years, or 10 Successful Years of the Priyadarshini Academy in the Service of Humanity, which is now ready for release. It's a volume comprising 350 pages and has been sponsored by Shri K.K. Moria, the Chairman and Managing Director of Crompton Greaves Limited, and also co-sponsored by Mr. Harkin Chatlani of India Book Distributors, both of whom we are extremely indebted to. And now it is my special privilege to request our much honored Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Sharad Pawar ji, to kindly do us the honor of releasing this book formally and officially. We had Mr. Sunil Datwani, who is the son-in-law of Priyadarshini, or should I say the son-in-law of Mr. Nani Krupani, who presented the first volume to Honorable Chief Minister Sir. Ladies and gentlemen, besides the saga of Priyadarshini in book form, it has also been captured on celluloid in the form of a video cassette, which has documented the various activities of the Academy spread over the last 10 years. This cassette, also entitled 10 Successful Years of the Priyadarshini Academy in the Service of Humanity, is now ready. It has been produced, directed as well as sponsored by Shri Mohan Bhatia. I will request our chief guest, Dr. Balram Jakar, to kindly do us the honor of releasing this video cassette. Thank you very much, Chief Minister Saab. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister Saab. Thank you for doing us this honor. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I think you've heard enough of my talking. It's time for some other people to take the mic and say a few words. We'll begin with someone whom we know as a beautiful and intelligent actress who made a special niche for herself on the Indian silver screen. But how many of us know that Ms. Poonam Dhillon Thakaria comes from a family of doctors and engineers and is the first member of the family to venture into films. A good student, she continued her studies and finished her graduation even whilst doing her work in the studios. She started with Trishul, we all know that, and met tremendous success with her blockbuster Noori, and did 70 films in just 12 years. In the last few years, she has started devoting a lot of her time to social causes and is involved in the anti-drug movement and the family planning program. A friend of Priyadarshini, Poonam is a permanent well-wisher, and it is my privilege now to request her to say a few words before this wonderful audience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Poonam Dhillon Thakaria.